5 power x plus 1 minus 5 power x minus 1 equal to 120. This is our given equation. We will have to find the value of x. How to find the value of x? It's very easy. Let's see the solution. First of all, we will have to write the given equation, that is 5 power x plus 1 minus 5 power x minus 1 equal to 120. Now, since we know the formula a power m plus n equal to a power m times a power n. Therefore, 5 power x plus 1 can be written as 5 power x times 5 power 1 minus 5 power x times 5 power minus 1 equal to 120. Here 5 power x, we can take common 5 power x. We left in the first bracket 5 power 1 minus 5 power minus 1 equal to 120. Therefore, 5 power x times 5 power 1, that is 5 minus again we know the formula a power minus 1 equal to 1 over a. Therefore, 5 power minus 1 can be written as 1 over 5 equal to 120. Therefore, 5 power x times, here LCM 5, 5 times 5, that is 25, minus 1 equal to 120. Therefore, 5 power x times 25 minus 1, that is 24 over 5 is equal to 120. Now, we will have to multiply both sides by 5 over 24. Therefore, 5 power x times 24 over 5 times 5 over 24 equal to 120 times 5 over 24. This 24 over 24 will be cancelled here. Again, 5 over 5 will be cancelled here. Therefore, 5 power x equal to 120 over 24 can be written as 5 over 1. 5 times 5, that is 5 power 2. Here base are equal, therefore power will be equal. Therefore x equal to 2. This is our required solution of the given equation. Thank you.